Morning at the South Side Yard. 1335 has been called. Karsk Iron and Metal has brought a scrapping train, and it is currently located at ASR Massive. 1335 is going to go pick it up. He's going to have to make it across Bridge 15, through the Spaghetti Bowl, across the 5 bridges, through Apollo Junction, and all the way down ASR Massive to pick up his train. He's on the way. It's too heavy. He can't pull it. He's going to need another locomotive. 1337 is on the way. 37 coming in. Let's hook up. All right. Can we do it? Very heavy. No wonder why this train's so heavy. Karsk 11, the wheels don't turn. Let's keep going. We can make it with the rest. A very tricky move into the Midway yard. train is in. Still breakfast time over here in the south side yard, and Ferdinand and Mouse are not coming out right now. Who is going to move the Osmax train? 35 and 37 think they are up to it. They're feeling strong after pulling the Karst train. Let's see if they got what it takes. This is one of the heaviest jobs around here. The Osmax train weighs twice as much as the scrapping train. Well, they're hooked on. Do they got what it takes? Can they bring it out? Uh-oh. I don't think they're going to make it. It's too heavy. All they can do is pull the slack. They need help. You know what that means? Help is on the way. Have no fear. Mr. Helper is right here, and he's coming down to help right now. Let's get him on. We add Mr. Helper. Now, will that help? Let's find out. I think they're going to do it. They're going to pull the Osmax train. It's a good thing Mr. Helper was here. They're working it. Looks like they're going to get the Osmax train switched into track 1 over in the Osmax yard. They're struggling, but they're making it. For just a few little fellers, these guys are doing pretty good. They're really working it now. Oh no! Disaster! That's all right. They did the job. Let's bring them back. Let's bring them over here and have a look at them. Let's see what we got here. Mr. Helper does add that little extra bit that you might need. Let's take a look now. Let's see what we got. All right. There they are. Beauty. Got the number boards up. Builder's plates. Sunshades. They run great. They run really nice. Lights are looking good. Cab lights look good. Truck's looking good. I would have to say that I'm impressed. All right, let's see what other. I did a couple more final details. Let's just have a look here. Let's bring 37 down here. They're both the same. So there's 37. As you can see, 35. All right, a couple extra details. I did make some cut levers out of some piano wire. So we got a couple of cut levers on there. And then I also put a couple of, in the pictures, only the back ones seem to have windshield wipers. So I gave them some wipers. That's pretty good. Cut lever. Pretty nice. I'm gonna have to say we gotta call it. These are two incredible builds. They really, really turned out nice, and they're pretty close. Now these spark arresters, you know, but they don't come off. Whatever they glued them on here with, they're not ever coming off. But they're okay. So what did I do to paint them? I used red shade. It has kind of a neat effect. Our number boards are looking nice. All in all, I have to say this was challenging, but it's fantastic. Oh yeah, Karsk 11 over there. The reason why the train is so tough, his wheels don't turn, but they pulled them anyways. And they pulled the Osmax train. The Osmax train, those 40-foot boxcars, they're weighted down inside with bolts and nuts, and they just weigh a ton. Normally that's Ferdinand and Mouse, that's their job to pull that thing. But these guys with Mr. Helper did the job. So I'm gonna have to call it. They're outstanding. They're fantastic. And as you saw, we had no problem using engine driver and making consists just on the fly. It worked excellent. And they're looking good. That is a wrap. We're done.